Do you ever wonder why some thoughts refuse to leave your mind? No matter how hard you try to push them away? The more you resist, the stronger they become. But what if I told you that the secret isn't in suppressing them, but in understanding them? Once, a troubled man approached Gautam Buddha. He was tormented by his own mind, filled with thoughts he wished to escape. "Buddha," he said, "I try to stay pure, but my mind keeps getting filled with lust. I feel guilty, ashamed, and helpless. How do I stop these thoughts?" Buddha listened patiently and smiled. "Tell me," he asked, "do you know what lust really is?" The man hesitated, then replied, "I only know that it is bad." Buddha shook his head. "Desire itself is not bad. It is simply a force, a lack of something that drives us to seek fulfillment. Lust, hunger, ambition, these are all forms of desire. But when you lose control over them, they control you." The man was confused. But why do some people let lust take over their lives while others remain unaffected? Buddha then shared a story. A young disciple lived in an ashram with his guru. Every day he walked past a river to beg for alms. One day, he met a boy hiding behind a tree, staring at young women drawing water from the river. The boy whispered, "Look at their beauty, their grace. Isn't it mesmerizing?" At first, the disciple was indifferent. But over time, curiosity turned into attraction, and attraction turned into obsession. He began sneaking out every day just to watch the women from a distance. His mind became restless, his duties suffered, and his peace vanished. His guru noticed the change. One day, he followed the disciple and caught him in the act. "What are you doing here?" the guru asked. The disciple trembled with guilt. "Forgive me, Guruji. I have tried to stop, but my mind refuses to obey me." The guru took him to a garden and pointed at a flowing drain. "Try to stop this water." The disciple placed soil and pebbles, but the water kept finding a way through. The guru smiled. "This is your mind. The more you forcefully block thoughts, the stronger they return. You can't stop the river, but you can control where it flows. Instead of suppressing desires, you must channel them into something greater." The disciple learned to shift his focus from obsession to purpose. He replaced lustful thoughts with wisdom and compassion. Slowly, peace returned to his life. Buddha looked at the troubled man and said, "Do not fight your thoughts. Understand them. Redirect your energy towards something meaningful, and balance will follow." So, what are you feeding your mind every day? Your thoughts shape your destiny. Choose wisely. If this lesson resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing wisdom. And remember, you are the master of your mind, not its slave.